I got a special video for you today, guys. Oh my word. Out of all the places that I've ever been doing videos, doing my adventures, this is going to stand up in the top 3 of beauty. Oh my word. The place that we're at now, we knew it existed. We had it on the docket to get it, but we didn't exactly know where it was. And the funny thing about it is, a couple weeks ago, we was out here and we missed this place by 100 feet. All right, I'm going to get a hoodie on. I'm going to get my other camera set up, and we're going to get Crossley Bridge. That's right, Crossley Bridge. That may not mean a lot at this moment, but wait until you see this. Oh my word. Crossley Bridge. Oh my word. We're going to be getting the top of it as well as the bottom. And we're going to do a lot of talking about this bridge and the things around the bridge. Let's get started. And I hope I'm not too loud, because in my last video I noticed my microphone's a little loud. Alright, let's get started. This bridge today is closed. It is 212 feet long, and it was built in 1936 or 37. I got more information about the flooring, which I will get later, but right now let's go walk across it to the other side. Okay, I'm not sure we're allowed on it. There's a wire going across it. Oh, shucks. Angie thinks we might be able to go over to the other side. We have to drive over there, which is funny. The video I was talking about the limestone in, that's on that other side. Remember me saying the bridge was out? This is the bridge. And there's a big chunk missing right there. So it may not be safe to do this. But right down below here, that is Muscatatuck River. The reason it's named Muscatatuck, the Native Americans named it Muscatatuck, that stands for curvy water. My word. Okay, I can tell you a little bit more history about the bridge. Let's swing on around. Now, when they first put the bridge in here, they laid it with wood. They just cut down. The wood was still green. Over the years, and over getting rained on, the wood started basically bowing. So they had metal strips they had put in here, which I don't see them today, to bring down the bowing of the wood. Yeah. I can see some of the metal strips up yonder there, but yeah. Holy smokes. Here's my location, by the way. We are at Crossley Wildlife Refuge. This is where the Crossley monster lives, and Bigfoot. It's a folklore, possibly an urban legend, but a lot of people believe in it. Yeah, as we was coming in here, I don't know if you could see it. I don't have the zoom in, but we noticed a lot of trees that were burnt. Do they have some type of forest fire up through here? And right over there, that's another limestone wall. We're going to go down below because I got some more stuff to talk about down yonder. And yeah, my God, look how beautiful this is. And you know the best part about this is, Ange?
What?
We're by ourselves.
Yep.
Okay, if you remember the last video I did was kind of looking for Bigfoot. Since it's so quiet out here, I gotta try something I didn't do in the last video. I gotta try it, y'all. Let's do it, okay? Oof, oof, oof. Kind of sounds like I'm barking like a dog. Okay, that's enough trying to reach Bigfoot. Might try that again in spring. Then maybe I might become a believer. Okay, we could go down further than this, and we're going to. I'm going to tell you something about down there by the water, and we're going to take a look-see and see if we can find something when we get down there. But look at this. My God, it's beautiful. Oh, let's lean in a little bit with the camera. There we go. This might make my thumbnail. We'll see. They got themselves a boat ramp right here, so that's kind of cool. We're going to go down the end here and hope there's lots of room to move around, and maybe we'll walk a little bit up the river. All right, guys, seriously, look at the beauty. There's still ice on the water. Now, somewhere by the Crossley Bridge is supposed to be a cave. The cave is named Witch Cave. It's supposedly haunted. We're going to turn this around and we pick it up from the other side. Yeah, supposedly the cave, like I said, is supposed to be haunted. And here at the bridge, let's lean back a little bit. There we go. I'm hoping my monopod's doing this right. Then we lean in a little bit. There we go. Somewhere through here is supposed to be that cave. And the bridge that we're almost practically under supposedly is haunted as well. A lot of paranormal investigators come here and they do their thing. Supposedly, yes, I said that a lot, people, let's lean back a little bit with the monopod, people has pretty much jumped off this bridge or other things to hurt themselves. Yeah, I don't want to go too much into that. Let's get my wife and Kitt on here. Kitt's being a little brand new. Hi, honey. Angie, where do you think that cave might be?
Up on the hill.
On the other side? Let me see if I can zoom in. I am zoomed in. Does that look like a cave to you guys? So let's look at another spot that Angie's pointing out. Or could it be this? Could that be a cave? I'm holding this steady. Now right over there, on the other side of this bridge, if you go down yonder a little ways, that's where we was at. I'm not so sure how far down that would be where we was at. What would you say, about 3 weeks ago? Yeah, 3 weeks ago. I'm not so sure. We may go to the other side, y'all. What do you think? Should we? My lovely wife says, this is not live. They will not be answering you right away. And I had to ask her to repeat that 4 or 5 times because I was back yonder and I was not hearing you.
Because you're deaf.
Because why?
Because you're deaf.
I am deaf.
Yeah.
I'm trying not to talk so loud because once again, Angie's like, you're speaking awful loud.
Yeah. But now we have to decide, are we going to the other side?
I don't know. See, I'm going to be telling the truth here. Once we get done with Crossley Bridge, we're going to go to another location, which will air probably on Monday. We're going to get to another location, it has to do with the bridge, kind of too.
Yep.
So, what time is it?
2:08.
2:08. We got time. Time's in our favor. So, what do you guys think? Now, we was over there the other day. We're going to be driving down roads that if another car comes up, we're screwed. But Angie's driving today. I'm not. I drove yesterday, so I drive more than her anyway. My poor wife only drives on the weekends.
Only one day on the weekends.
Only one day on the weekends because I need the car throughout the weekend. You know. Let's go over there. We're doing it. We'll see you on the other side, guys. Hey guys, it's me in the future. I want to break in here and tell you what's about ready to happen in this video. I'm going to be talking about, there's voices we heard. It happened to have been children's voices. I was thinking they were hunters, but my wife said no, they were children playing. And the voices only happened about maybe 3 seconds long, and I heard a couple dogs barking. Well, one dog, I think he barked twice. And the reason I'm breaking in the video is because we find this interesting. There was no kids anywhere around there. There was no hunters. Of course, I can't see hunters with their children, maybe, I don't know. These sound like little children, little kids. So I'm breaking in the video because we just thought it was a little interesting. I'm not saying it's paranormal, that's the last thing I'm saying. I'm saying it's quite interesting. But I did some more homework on this, and it so happened to be a lot of paranormal claims coming from there. A lot of ghost hunters go down there and investigate. So take it with a grain of salt. I will be going back there and going on the other side. That would be later down the road. I'm sure I say this in the video, but I want to break in here because we found that kind of interesting. Now, we stuck around there for about a good 35-40 minutes after I ended the video. Nobody came out of the woods, and the voices were only that one time. That's when we got there. All right, I'll let you go back to your video now. Okay, we ran into a slight little problem. We can't... Oh, hold on. Let's not go no further right now, Ange. Let's figure out what this is. Let's get our bearings. we hear other people's and we hear a hound dog, which makes me wonder it could be hunters. As you can see, we're being blocked off. Move up by Angie. You know, this is hunting season. This is hunting grounds, so I don't know. We don't know how much further up that way the bridge would be. We thought about walking back there. Did you lock the car?
Good now.
Okay. But as you can see, we can't go no further than this point right here as well. So that dog sounded close.
Yeah, the people sounded close too.
All right, we're gonna get our bearings, try to figure out what's going on. Okay, in case that is another dog, we don't know how friendly it is. And Kitt is still nervous around other dogs, so I asked Angie, stay by the car. I'm not going out of her eyesight. I'm going up to this point right here to see how much further that bridge is. See if we can even walk to it from here. Since the bridge is out, I can see why they closed all this down. Nah, this goes on and on and on. Oh, I see way down yonder, there's the bridge, way down there. Okay, I guess that will do it, guys. It's a pretty good walk, and we don't know where that dog is. I don't want our dog running across another dog, especially if it doesn't have an owner. Safety precautions for my puppy, I'm sorry. I'm overprotective when it comes to Kitt. And we did hear peoples, but it could very well be hunters. So guys, I'm gonna get some G70 shots. Actually, I don't know what I can get on the G70 though. I could get Beauty. I get one more shot with the G70, then we'll just close her out. When I say we are in the middle of nowhere, I ain't telling no fib. We are miles and miles off the beaten path. But here we go. Let's just do a whole pan around all the way. Hope I don't get a little shaky with it, but if I do, overlook me. Now the road's coming back in here just like the last time. Was out here about 2.5 weeks ago, maybe 3. If another car comes, you are in troubles. And it gives me anxiety driving on roads like that. Okay, we're getting ready to go around to where Angie and Kitt is. And I haven't heard nothing from nobody yet. I did, when I was up there, I did hear another dog there. And he did sound very close.
Yeah, it sounded like they were
right
over that side.
Tell you what. Okay guys, we're going to shut down the Vixen and close her out with the GoPro. Well, I honestly thought we could get to the other side from here. But you know what? Maybe we'll try it again. Maybe this spring will come down and get the other side and walks to it from here. I mean, we could do the walk. We could definitely do it, Ange.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's about, ooh, I say half a mile. We could definitely do it, but I'm worried that the dog may not be on a leash. If it's a hunt dog, it's not. I'm going to tell you that now.
That's fine.
But it's just a hound dog if it is a hunting dog. And hound dogs are pretty friendly, I would imagine, with other dogs. I don't know. Well, we're going to give Kitt some waters. I'm going to drink some waters. And then, guys, I'm headed to another location to get another video. That's right. So, guys, until next time, leave your comments down below. I really wish I could have got the other side of that bridge. I wish I could have done more on the bridge. But, guys, I follow the rules, okay? It's safety rules. That wire is going across there for a reason. And when you're out doing adventures, take it from me, follow the rules. Don't do anything that could put yourself in danger. All right? Because you want to live to shoot, to go into another adventure another day, okay? All right, that's the best way I can put it. All right, I'm going to take you out of here. By the way, it took us 30 minutes to get here. I'm going to go all the way around. My next location is about 35 minutes from here. And it is something else. You'll see it probably Monday. Till next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here.